Hello guys, I'm your host Faizullah Malik and I have come up with an interesting drama. The full name of this drama is The Tragedy of Hamlet, Prince of Denmark. It is written by one of the greatest playwright and dramatist of all time whose name is William Shakespeare. It's a kind of tragedy. It was written sometimes between 1599 and 1601. It is one of the longest play written by Shakespeare. It consists of 29,551 words. The setting of this drama is in Denmark. This play depicts the Prince Hamlet, who is the tragic hero of this play, and his revenge against his uncle. The name of his uncle is Claudius, and he has murdered Hamlet's father in order to seize and capture his throne and marry Hamlet's mother. So, if we talk about the writer of this drama, the writer of this drama is William Shakespeare. Now, characters. What are the major characters in this drama? The major characters in this drama are Hamlet, Claudius, Gertrude, and Polonius. The original language in which this drama is written is English, and the genre of this drama is Shakespearean tragedy. And as already discussed, the setting of this drama is Denmark. Setting is the place where this drama occurs. So the place where this drama occurs is Denmark. The characters which I have discussed is Hamlet, Claudius, Gertrude, and Polonius. These are the major characters. Some other characters include Ophelia, Laertes, Horatio, Polonius, and Hamlet, who is the king. These are also other characters, but these are minor characters in the play. Now, discussing the nature of these characters, let us first come with the first character, Hamlet. Hamlet is the son of late king and the nephew of present king Claudius. He is the tragic hero of this play. His uncle is Claudius. He has three friends, Horatio. He met with the soul of his father in the shape of a ghost. King Hamlet told all the story that I was killed and I didn't died. Now come to Claudius. Who is Claudius? Claudius is the king of Denmark. He is the uncle of Hamlet and he is also the brother of former king, and now he is also the husband of Gertrude. Who is Gertrude? Gertrude is the queen of Denmark and she is the Hamlet's mother. Now come to Polonius. Who is Polonius? Polonius is the main servant, or he is the chief counselor of king. He handles much of his works and affairs. He is on the side of Claudius. He is the spy of Claudius. Now, who is Ophelia? Ophelia is a female character. She is the daughter of Polonius, and she is also loved by Hamlet the prince. She commits suicide when she knows that his father was killed by Hamlet, her beloved. Now, who is Laertes? Laertes is the Polonius' son. He is the son of Polonius and the brother of Ophelia. He challenges a fight by the wish of Claudius. He has sword full of poison, and by this sword he cuts Hamlet. And Hamlet dies because of this poison, and Hamlet also do the same. So he kills Claudius by the same sword. Similarly, there are also other characters which are the minor character in this play, like Voltimand and Cornelius. They are the courtiers, like Osric, Marcellus, Bernardo, Francesco, Reynaldo, Ghost, Fortinbras. So these are the minor characters in the play. They are less important as compared to the previous one. Now let's come to the theme. What are the basic themes in this drama? There are 6 major themes in this drama. The first one is revenge. The theme of revenge is very important in this drama. There are 2 young men who are avenging their father's death. The first one is Laertes, who is avenging his father Polonius' death. And the second man, who is Hamlet, he is also avenging his father's death. So, the theme of revenge is the most important theme in this drama. Similarly, there are other themes like the theme of corruption, which is also the major concern in this play. the theme of religion, the theme of politics, the theme of appearance and reality, the theme of women. These are the 6 major themes which are really important in this play, and one must focus on these themes. Now let's come to the summary of Hamlet play. What is the summary of Hamlet? The ghost of King of Denmark tells his son Hamlet to avenge his murder by killing the new king. The name of new king is Claudius, who is also the uncle of Hamlet. Hamlet tries to act like mad person. He contemplates life and death, and he tries to seek revenge from his uncle. His uncle, fearing for his life, also devises and makes plot to kill Hamlet. The play ends with a duel, a fight between Laertes and Hamlet, who kill each other in the duel fight. Hamlet's opponents is also killed, Hamlet is also killed. The king and queen, they are also killed, and the story ends. This is a tragic story, means the hero, the play in the last of which hero dies is kind of drama which we called tragedy. So this is tragedy, and the tragic hero of this drama is Hamlet. Thank you very much. Hope that you have enjoyed my video, and please subscribe, press the bell icon so that you may receive notification and you may never miss any video.